Hello guys, welcome back to Mooncoin YouTube channel, and today's video I'll be discussing about fundamental news on a particular coin and over the crypto market. So let's get into the video without further ado. So this coin, this update is this videos on the news that's being viral on last 3 days, okay, after the Donald Trump's post. So this is a monumental news over the weekend. There had been executive order that President Trump issued regarding the strategic crypto reserve, okay, on major coins. I thought it will be Bitcoin, ETH, but that wasn't the coins. Okay, so let's see what are the coins, and without okay, let's see the news then. Okay, President Trump came out and said that something pretty concrete about this strategic crypto reserve. Okay, it's not gonna be Bitcoin or ETH. Okay, you can go through the messages, this post, and see it was posted on March 2nd. Okay, so this post first issued on the X account, and it was clear that Trump shows a broader interest on reserve of crypto assets again, such as XRP, Solana, and ADA. Okay, passionate ADA community that exists over there loving this news. Okay, but we also need to have a little bit patient, guys. Okay, and also guys, this is not something that we should expect very immediately. We have to be very patient in this critical and catalyst time. The most important thing in the meantime is that March 7th, okay, is the March 7th, which is tomorrow. This day, okay, this day is important because on that day that's gonna be the first ever White House crypto summit. Okay, it's gonna be a crypto summit on the coming 7th, March 7th. Okay, in this event's not talked too much in nowadays, but it's a very big deal and also very important, okay, for the crypto investors and as well as the traders. This strategic crypto reserve that US government came up with is kind of that US government does with things like gold, oil, for example. For example, if these coins really start to regain its footing, okay, and gain some moment, we could see all-time highs, which could be in a short term. So this year is catalyst year, and in terms of Trump's statement, and also we have to stay cleared and patient and define more clarity with the market as the time goes. So keep an eye on the fundamentals as well, and if something happens, we will be updating on for you guys. So let's go to the chart and let's do some technical analysis on ADA and XRP as well as Solana. So guys, I'm on Cardano chart on weekly time frame. So let's see what's happening with the chart and the market. Okay, so as you guys can see, still we didn't break the all-time high, and Cardano found its very big support here and made some rejections. You can see rejection in weekly candles, and you can see that this market took this breakup block of the weekly candle. Okay, let's consider it as a good point of interest. Okay, and it respect bounce from there, and we expect the market to go higher and higher, make higher and higher. So if the market manages to break the all-time high, then we can confirm that at least $10 per coin is guaranteed. Okay, so these are the levels, okay, the levels that I consider as resistant in the future. You can go to the fib and let's mark out that. So at least the market could go up to $15, okay, for the next bull run or higher. The minimum target is $6. Okay, the minimum target is $6. If you take the previous data, you can see that never touched the maximum fib level, which is 1.6. okay, and also you can see the resistance here that is been driven here. You can see that resistance So if the market manages to break that, you can see that every time the market made a mitigation near the resistance, we have a very big impulse move, I mean the sell side, but rather compared to the previous one, see this one, this is very small, right? This is very small. So the next one could be like this way, can go and go for a small pullback and then go higher. So this is what my idea on this market. So let's say I'm on bullish in this market. So if you go for the daily time frame, you can see that it has made a structure break as well in a minor. If you go forward, you can see that, and it has made a break and a close above the previous resistance. Okay, now it has become a support line. Okay, so next resistance that we consider, let's go to the line chart and let's mark out the resistance here. So this is the resistance that I can mark the next. Okay, if the market holds below this resistance, then we could expect some sideways, as well as we can expect a downward move as well. Okay, so if the market manages and broke above the resistance and made a close in the daily and make a retest, you can go for the market is bullish then. Okay, so this is the key levels that I expect. So let's see how the market plays in the future. So let's next go for the XRP. Okay, as always, we'll just take a look at XRP. I have done some XRP videos in YouTube channel. You can go and check out for that. Still the updates are varied. You know that every time that I spot a trend line, descending trend line, the market, what does the market do? It break up and go for a aggressive selling pressure. Okay, so if you want more detail on the market, go for the previous XRP video that I had done and see what are the reasons for the downward movement, and you can find it there. Okay, so we still did not break the all-time high, just like a liquidity sweep. Okay, this is just like a liquidity sweep. Okay, so let's consider it as a resistance here, and as well we'll consider this level. See, the market is like in a sideway. Okay, it's like in a sideway between two. This is our support. I'll mark this on another color. So it's if we extend this, so we should the market is still in a range here. Okay, so we can the market is not giving any, it's normal because it has made a impulse move, right? So it's normal. So let's see what's gonna happen in this market. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart and let's do some short-term analysis. Okay, I'll consider this as a resistance. Okay, and the market is now below that. Let's consider it as a resistance. Okay, so it's struggling to if even the market close above that, the market is very volatile and catalyst in this year. Okay, so wait patiently for the trades. So the market is still struggling here. See, there are two possibilities for this. Either it can go and go all the way up, or else if it holds below this resistance, then we expect the market to go even lower, this 32% to the upside. Okay, this is 68% to the downside. And also it's like forming a head and shoulder here. You can see that very, see here, it's like forming a head and shoulder. So we will have to wait until we have a close in here. Okay, we have to wait until a close. Let's consider this, let's consider neckline here. Let's consider this as a neckline. Okay, this is our neckline. So if the market really made a close below this orange color line, okay, which is called neckline. Okay, I consider it as a neckline. So the market can go even lower. Okay, I have said why the reason for the market to go lower. It's in my last YouTube video. You can go and check that. Okay, this is 68% to the downside. For the upside, it's a bit low. The probability is low bit. So let's see what's happened in the XRP market in the coming future. So we'll be updating on that. So let's go to the Solo now. Okay. Let's go to the weekly chart and see the sentiment on the weekly chart. Okay, let's mark out the previous all-time highs. So it broke, but it did not make a body close above the previous all-time high. So we'll consider this as a new one. We'll consider this as a previous one. Okay, so I'll show an example of that descending trend line pattern. You can see that every time the descending trend line broken, it was just a bull trap. Okay, so what happened? Market made an aggressive move to the downside. The same thing goes here as well. You see, the market made a bull trap for a longer period. And what happened? Market is going for an aggressive selling pressure. So market can even go even low. Okay, so if the market made a close below this, below this one, okay, and what I expect the market to do is, let's take the fib level. Let's see that. Can even reach $85. Okay, this could happen in an instant, like a very big wick. Okay, can even go for this order block in the weekly. Okay, it can be called as a demand zone. Okay, so can even go and mitigate very quickly. Okay, in an aggressive way. So that's a probability, because every time this trend line is broken, then we can go for aggressive selling. Okay, the market will go for aggressive selling. And also you should consider this level. You see, we have a trend line here. So what happened after the trend line? You can see the trend line, right? the market made a break and a retest. Now it's going for a impulse again, aggressive selling again. So wait patiently for the market to give a good setup for buy, or buy in spot, or else buying in future. Okay, opening a position in future. This is very unstable market now, guys. Okay, so we can expect at least for $100 or even a bit higher, $110. That's what I expect. Okay, so if the market made a close, below this green line, okay, I mark this trend line as another one. So if the market made a close, okay, like this, so we can expect a bear run. Okay, we should expect a bear run. Okay, so let's see, let's hope that things doesn't happen that way. And I expect the market to do a wick like this on this level. Okay, and then we can go for a long on both spot, and we can buy in the spot as well in the futures. We can go for a long. And the price prediction for this is, let's go to the fib and use that. Yeah, the minimum. Okay, so if the market really goes, because there are more newses regarding Solana, XRP and ADA. So ADA's team also are working secretly on secret projects on that, such as midnight. There's a token gonna be released. We don't know the exact date. So the Cardano holders will receive it as a free airdrop. So okay, you can go and search on midnight. Okay, the coin's name is midnight. So this cycle will be a super cycle. For that, it's making its silent move. So wait patiently and hold the things that you bought at the top, and very DC in every point. Okay, I'm not financially advising, just my ideas. Okay, so the maximum, okay, the maximum target is 10,000, the minimum is 2,000. Okay, so at right now also the market is a bit in a discount price. Okay, don't worry about that you got in the top. The market is in discount price. Investors doesn't think like that. Okay, they buy every time. You know, micro strategy, Slay was Michael Slay, he got the market everywhere he bought. Okay, so these are the points that I recommend to DC if you are involving in investing. Okay, so if this doesn't hold these levels, then we'll go for we'll find another key points. Okay, I hope this will hold the point this one. Okay, currently also the market is holding a very big support in a weekly. You can see it clearly here. It's holding a very big support in the weekly. See how much of this price, current market price, is very commonly visited places. You see the prices mitigated here. See a bunch of mitigations again. I hope the market could break. Okay, because so much of this is to take the orders. So if there's no orders, the market should definitely will break down. So we'll see what's happening with this market. And okay, let's finish up this video. And I hope this update was very useful for those who are struggling with the current market situation. Find this useful and take some knowledges that I gave from my side. And don't involve in trading right now, it's not advisable. Okay, stay tuned guys, and wait for a good update on the crypto market. So until then, see you, and I'll meet up on another crypto update.